Hello, millennials and Gen Z. Till now, we have covered till input embedding, like the words converted, to the multidimensional vector. Now, we are going to look into the positional encoding. Positional encoding. Simple. It adds the sense of position to the input embedding. In transformer model, the tokens are processed parallelly, so there is no sense of position. That's why we need to add a sense of position. For that, we use this stage to add the position in the vectors. In the previous to this, we see the word gets converted into the vector representation. After the word converted to the vector representation, now at this stage, positional encoding, add the positional vector to the word vector so that it gets the sense of position. Now there is a mathematical formula by which we add the positional by which we calculate the positional vector and add to the word vector. Why we calculate the position in with this formula? Because what we want is we want to add the sense of position, as well as we do not want to change the meaning of word embeddings. So in this way, like using sine and cosine function for even and odd, for even we use sine function, for odd positions, like, okay, what's the position, right? So first 1 2 3 4, as it is a four-dimensional vector, so four positions are there. So for zeroth position, it's even, so we use over here sine function. For odd, one is odd, we use over there cos function. P is the position, like if we used to add the positional vector in second token, then the calculation is like this. Let's position is p equal to 2 and embedding four-dimensional. So for first, as it's even, sine with I equal to 0, cosine with I equal to 0. Here we generate the four-dimensional vector over here like this. So this generate first component, this second means 0th, 1, 2 and 3. So these four vectors get generated for the second position, and then that vector gets added to the word vector like this, and resultant we got over here. And now this resultant we get has the sense of position without affecting its meaning.